Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class we are completed non-homogeneous related concept and problems. Now I am going to discuss linear differential equations. Now uh, the general form of linear differential equation is dy by dx plus p of x into y, that is equal to q of x. This is general form of the differential equation. This is type 1. In this case, integrating factor, how to take means, that is e power integration p dx. After finding the integration, how to write, how to find the solution of the differential equation. This is the formula y into integrating factor, that is equal to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. By solving this, we get the answer. Okay, this is type 1. Now go to the type 2. This is in the form of dx by dy plus p of y into x, that is equal to q of y. Here, how to find integrating factor means integrating factor e power integration p dy. Here observe that here integration e power p dx, here p dy. That means in first function p and q are functions in x. In second type p and q are functions in y. Remember it. This is the difference. Now in second type, how to find the solution of the linear differential equation means x into integrating factor, that is equal to integration q into integrating factor dy, because here p and q are functions in y. Okay students, now by using this method I am going to solve some problems. See the first problem, the integrating factor of the differential equation. So here 1 minus y square into dy by dx plus yx is equal to ay. First convert in the general form of a linear differential equation. That means divide on both sides with 1 minus y square. So we get like this, dy by dx plus y by 1 minus y square into x, that is equal to ay by 1 minus y square. So what is integrating factor here? Here first identify that p and q values. What is p? P is equal to y by 1 minus v square. Here q is y by 1 minus y square. So integrating factor, that is equal to e power integration. Here I am written small mistake. See here, this is not dy by dx. See the question what they are given, dx by dy, dx by dy. That's why we are getting p and q are functions in y. So what is integrating factor here? E power integration p dy. Substitute e power integration y by 1 minus y square dy. How to do this, students? 1 minus y square derivative is minus 2y. Here minus 2 is not there. So do one thing, divide minus 2 and multiply minus 2. Then what happened? Numerator, sorry, power e power minus 1 by 2 integration minus 2y by 1 minus y square dy, that is logarithm of 1 minus y square. So no, now this is e power logarithm of 1 minus y square whole power minus 1 by 2. Here, what is the base? E or not? Now, here, what will come? Tell me. So logarithm is going to eliminate. We get integrating factor 1 minus y square whole power minus 1 by 2. That means 1 by under root 1 minus y square. This is the integrating factor of linear differential equation. Students, which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Integrating factor of x log x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 log x. First convert into dy by dx plus py is equal to q like that. So what we have to do, students? Divide on both sides with x log x. At the time we get like this, dy by dx plus 1 by x log x into y, that is equal to 2 log x divided by x log x. So what we have done here, dividing on both sides with x log x. Here log x cancel. Students, identify here what is p. P means 1 by x log x. Then what is q? Q is 2 by x. So here they are asking only integrating factor. Now what is integrating factor formula? E power integration p dx. Yes or no? Now e power integration. P means what? 1 by x log x dx. So here log x is equal to t means derivative of log x 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So here e power integration 1 by t dt, that is e power log t to the base e. That means what? T only now. So t means what we are taken here? Log x or not? So finally integrating factor is log x. Students, which option is correct? Second option. So here, integrating factor model important in Eamcet. Sometimes they will give in mains also. Dy by dx. Dy by dx. That is equal to, split this. Take that x plus 1 is 1 unit divided by x plus 1 plus y by x plus 1. Okay. Now dy by dx, y by x plus 1 send left hand side minus y by x plus 1. Then right hand side is 1. Finally, students, what is p here? P is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1. Then what is q? 1. So here we need to find integrating factor. What is the formula, students? E power integration p dx. P means what? Minus 1 by x plus 1 dx. Integration 1 by x plus 1 dx, that is log of x plus 1 or not? E power minus logarithm of x plus 1. Now here e power logarithm of minus sent to power of x plus 1, that is x plus 1 whole power minus 1. Here what is the base? E or not? Now finally after calculation we are getting answer x plus 1 whole power minus 1, that is 1 by x plus 1. This is the integrating factor. So students, which option is correct? Second. Solution of dy by dx plus 2y is equal to e power minus x. Actually, this is in the form of dy by dx plus py, that is equal to q. So what is p, students, here? P is equal to 2 and q is e power minus x. E power minus x. First find integrating factor. integrating factor, that is equal to e power integration p dx. P means 2 dx. So what is the answer? Integration 2 is constant, integration 1 dx, x or not. This is integrating factor e power 2x. Now how to write solution of linear differential equation? Solution is what is that? Y into formula integrating factor, that is equal to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. This is a solution of the differential equation. Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Now those values substitute. Y into e power 2x, that is equal to, what is q, students? E power minus x, and integrating factor is e power 2x dx plus c. Now y into e power 2x, that is equal to, here observe that bases are equal, power should be adding, you will get e power x dx. What is integration e power x dx, students? That is e power x or not? Y into e power 2x, that is equal to e power x plus c. Now by observing the options, how to do the calculation, tell me? In right hand side e power x, that is we can write y e power 2x, that is equal to 1 by, or you can take e power x common in right hand side, then what will come? 1 plus c into e power minus x. So e power x is going to cancel, because left hand side e power 2x is there now. E power 2x we can write e power x whole square. E power x whole square. At the time it is going to, one term is going to cancel. Now I am writing this as e power x whole square. One of the term is going to cancel. So final answer is y into e power x plus, y into e power x is equal to 1 plus c into e power minus x. This is the answer. Students, observe that which option is correct? First option. So the calculation is by observing the option I am done. Okay, students, I think all of you understood now. Students, see that question number 35. How to do this? How to do this? First, y dx, that is equal to, so left hand side term, send right hand side, x plus 2y square into dy, 2y square into dy. Next, how to do that? Dy send left hand side, so we get like this, dx by dy, and left hand side y send it to right hand side, we get x by y plus 2y square divided by y. Yes or no? Next step, how to write, students? Dx by dy and x by y send left hand side, we get minus x by y. That means minus y into x, that is equal to, here y is cancelled, remaining part is 2y. So by observing the problem, that is in the form of dx by dy plus px is equal to q. What is p, students, here? Minus 1 by y. And what is q, students? 2y. So first find integrating factor. What is the formula? E power integration p dy. That means minus of 1 by y dy. That is e power minus log y to the base. This is e power logarithm of y power minus 1 to the base e. That means what is the finally integrating factor? 1 by y or not? Now solution is, how to write the solution, students? Solution is x into integrating factor 1 by y, that is equal to integration q 2y into integrating factor 1 by y dy plus c. Now what is the final answer, students? So left hand side x by y, that is equal to, here y cancel, 2 is constant, integration 1 dy y plus c, and left hand side denominator y sent to right hand side, we get x is equal to 2y square plus cy. This is the final answer. Students, which option is correct? Second option is correct.